In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zapier account using the desktop website. Zapier is a tool that connects your favorite apps and automates tasks, and setting up your account only takes a couple of minutes. I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and going to zapier.com. On the home page, look for the Get Started for Free button. It's usually easy to spot, and this is what begins the sign-up process. Click it to move to the account creation form. You'll see fields where you can enter your information. Begin with your work email. While Zapier suggests using a work email, you can use any email you have access to, as long as you can receive messages there. Using a professional email can help if you plan to collaborate with teammates later. Next, enter your first name and last name. These details help personalize your account and make it easier to identify your profile when you're working with others. Keep it accurate and clear. Now create your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. A good approach is to include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information, and consider a password manager if you want extra convenience and security. Once your email, name, and password are entered, click Get Started for Free again to submit the form. If Zapier needs to confirm your email, you'll be prompted to verify it. Head to your inbox and look for a message from Zapier. Open the email and click the verification link inside to confirm your address. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. Verification helps secure your account and ensures you can receive important notifications. After verification, you'll be redirected to the Zapier Dashboard. This is your home base, where you can explore automations, connect apps, and create your first workflows, called Zaps. If you see any onboarding questions or suggestions, they're there to help tailor your experience. But the key point is that your account is now set up and ready to use. That's it. Your Zapier account has been created on the desktop website. You're now ready to explore what you can automate and save time on repetitive tasks. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.